If you're on the hunt for a chair that brings comfort, versatility, and ease to your outdoor space, the Comfo-Back folding Adirondack chair by Berlin Gardens is calling your name. This classic Adirondack-style seat has been thoughtfully modernized. The standout Comfo-Back design offers a taller, curved back and contoured seat slats that roll over the edge just right, so you get support in all the perfect spots. It's the kind of chair you'll want to stay in for hours. One of my favorite features? It folds up effortlessly, no pegs or pins needed, so whether you're storing it for the season, heading out for tailgating, or camping with your RV, it's super handy. The design is sleek and refined too, with minimal visible stainless steel fasteners, none on the front of the seat back, giving it that clean, smooth look. It's built from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, poly lumber. Think recycled plastic, so it stands up beautifully against weather, UV rays, insects, and moisture, without cracking, splitting, or fading. Plus, it's low maintenance, needing just a quick wipe down to stay fresh. Best part, it's made in the USA and available in more than 20 gorgeous colors, everything from natural teaks and warm walnuts to seaside grays and bright tropical tones, so you can pick one that fits your style. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.